Farm-level commercial milk plant.
These types, organic milk and mini dairy plant, are the model plants which every farmer can afford to set up at their farm level. This helps them retain milk quality, hold the milk freshness up to require time till they sell same in the market.
Farm-level commercial milk plant.
Here the farmer can buy the milk from other nearby farms to process and pack it as liquid milk and other milk-related products. The capacity of this plant is 3,000 liters of milk can be packaged. You can standardize the milk fat by removing the cream, and this cream can be processed either to butter or butter oil or ghee.
Farm-level commercial milk plant layout. Milk cooling tank. Milk pump. Cream separator. Balance tank. Milk pasteurizer. Milk homogenizer. Milk storage tank. Float balance tank. Pouch packing machine. Flowchart. As discussed earlier, the milk obtained through cans is weighed on platform weigh scale. A small amount of milk is taken for testing to check the percentage of fat and SNF. Further, the milk is cooled down to +4 degrees Celsius to retard the growth of bacteria. In the bulk milk cooling unit, it takes approximately 3 to 3.5 hours to cool down. Now the milk is pasteurized by using high-temperature short-time pasteurizer to heat the milk up to +80 Celsius, hold for 15 to 16 seconds, and cool down quickly to +4 Celsius. Here in this unit, the high-pressure homogenizer and online cream separator are interconnected. The separated cream is converted to butter or butter oil. The pasteurized milk is stored in the horizontal milk storage tank. The required amount of milk is fed to overhead float balance tank, and then to the packing section. The pouches are stored in milk cold stores to maintain the temperature of milk at +4 Celsius, and now the milk is ready to sell.
SS engineers and consultants recommends all the milk farmers to get prepared and start setting up their milk processing plant for value-added product reserve store and increase their business with profits.
We are here for collaborating with you to take this mission forward. We are open to any suggestion as well as sharing any vital information about mini milk processing plants with you. Thanks for watching. For more details, I request you to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.